This is a Google Pixel 7a, and it's seen better days. It's been dropped, it's got a crack in this corner, the screen doesn't work, the battery is swollen, it's not looking good. So I'm going to attempt to put a new battery in and put a new screen in. Now I think I'm going to start with the battery because I can already see that it's lifted here, and I'm going to see how easy it is. As far as I know, the battery goes in the back. You don't have to remove the screen to do the battery. That's what the internet said anyway, so that must be true. But let's find out. Given that that is swollen, I'm going to guess that the battery is in the back here. Just going to add a little bit of 99.9% pure isopropyl alcohol, just to try and soften up the adhesive. Oh yeah, that works a treat. Nice. Yeah, the battery's very swollen. It's not supposed to stick out that much. Right, how do I get that out? I'm guessing I need to undo all of these screws. Right, I think it's a T2. Seems to work. For whatever reason, it's not working on that one. Let's try a hex 0.9. That seems to work. I am carefully laying these out here so that I can put them back where they came from. Well, that's the idea anyway. I think that's all of them. Oh, that looks like that's attached there. Oh, I don't like that. I'm just going to try and get an X-Acto knife blade under that because it's very well stuck down. I wonder if some IPA. Let's put a little bit of IPA on. I don't even know what that is, but it's definitely stuck down and needs to come off. There we go. The wonders of IPA again. Nice. Right, can I take this off now? No, because I haven't taken that screw out there. There we go. Right, how do you get this battery out? The connector looks like it's under there. Is this one of those things where you're supposed to... I don't know, you're supposed to peel it or something? I'm going to use the IPA again, just to try and soften the adhesive under here. Right, all my messing around, the front screen has actually come off. Which is good because I need to replace it. It's also good because I can now get that battery and push on it there. Nice. Right, you can see how swollen that is. That is what it's supposed to look like. Oh, stupid IPA. Much more swollen. But let's get this adhesive off. That was like a piece of the screen. So yeah, that's obviously shattered off the screen from the front. See if I can get this one off in one go. No! Nice. This is the adhesive that came with it. Just got to cut it to size. Well, it fits nice. I'm going to get this back on. Right, before I put the rest back together, I'm just going to make sure that that comes on. I mean, even though the screen was broken, it did still come on, but not with that other battery. It vibrated. Okay, I think that's good, but now I've got nothing on the screen. Okay, well, I am replacing the screen anyway. Unfortunately, this is on now, and I need it to be off. Right, I'm going to have to try and stick this back down now. I do have some of this thin tape. I need to get all the old adhesive off. Oh, this is annoying. Right, this doesn't want to stick back down, so I've just peeled off a little bit of the leftover tape. Okay. Right, now I just need to get all the tape from out around the edge of this, which is going to be fun. Okay, I think we're good. Just do a test fit. Right, that looks okay. I just need to get some adhesive on the edges, which is not going to be fun because it doesn't come with any, so I'm going to have to cut my own. I've got this 2mm tape. I think that should do the job. Right, that looks pretty good. Let's see if I can peel it back enough and get this on. Okay, here goes. I'm just going to put some clamps on it and leave it for a bit. Looks good. Right, let's leave it for a bit. Right, that'll do. Let's try and do the screen. Once I've done the screen, I can clamp it back up again. Right, this just comes off. I'm guessing it's a lot more difficult than that when it's not damaged and already falling off. Right, what do I do now? I'm guessing the screen connector is under, oh, it's under a screw there. Obviously not that one. Or that one, I don't think. Is that coming undone? Oh dear. What is that one? That's the Hex 09 0.9, but I don't know if that's the right one. I wouldn't have thought so. It's not a common one. Okay, well that was easy. Do I need to keep that? Because I don't think... I mean, it's got that... Oh, it's the fingerprint sensor, isn't it? So do I need to take the... I do need to take the fingerprint sensor off this. Well, I need to take that off, presumably. Which connects from there to there, does it? Yeah, okay. Well, this might be tricky. Let's try and do that. That is just Captain Tape. Okay, and this looks like is it just glued down? I think it is. I'm going to put some isopropyl on that. There we go. let that dry for a bit. While it's drying, let's take these plastic things off. That's different as well. Do I need to take that off? Oh, there we go. That was easy. Let's do that first. What's going on here? Oh, okay. That should be in the phone, right? That should be in there. Problem is, I don't know which way around it goes. I'm guessing like that. Okay. Well, let's see if we can get this touch thing. Fingerprint sensor. Ooh, might need a microscope for this. That does not want to go in there. Microscope. Ah, I think I know why it's not going in. It's got that already in there. I honestly couldn't see that. Okay, we're in. Is this going to stick down? Yes, it is. That is in exactly the same place that it was. Okay, nice. Just got a piece of Kapton tape just to stick over it like it was on the original. There we go. Right, this glue around here looks like it's going to be very difficult to get off. It doesn't look like adhesive tape, it looks like glue. And because the phone's been sort of split open a bit, it's just covered in stuff. I don't know how easy it's going to be to come off. Let's try this bit first. But I think I've got a good enough surface there to stick the adhesive on. I should probably test the screen first, right? Let me try and fold this the same way that the original was folded. So we fold it there. And then there. Okay, let's try that. Right, I think that's in. Right, let's try and turn it on. Right, okay, let's try and get some adhesive on this. Okay, let's get the clamps back on this. Looks good. Let's leave it for a bit. Right, I think that'll do. I've moved it around a little bit just to make sure that it does stick it down in all places. Let's see now if this is going to work, because if it doesn't, I'm going to cry. Oh yes! Let's peel this off. Nice. 1725. This belongs to the same person as this watch, which I recently fixed. Look, 525. It is keeping good time. Oh, it's 526 now. It's a minute slow. Right, it's obviously not my fingerprint, so I can't test the fingerprint sensor, but maybe I can put... Oh, there is no fingerprint. How do I test the fingerprint sensor? Bear with. Right, let me try and add a fingerprint. Oh, yes. Right, it's definitely working because it's letting me add my big fat thumb. I'll cancel that. Right, I just need to make sure it charges, don't I? There's a lot of notifications coming through right now. Charging rapidly. Love it. Let's leave it to charge rapidly. Right, well, that was the first time I've ever done one of those, and I'm quite pleased with how that turned out. It is quite difficult. It might look simple, but it's pretty tricky. Well, it's for me. But it looks a lot better than it did with the smashed screen and the swollen battery. So, I mean, it's Google, so it's definitely still stupid, but